Hey everyone, I'm Lindsay and welcome back to Weekly Whimsy. I have a lot of exciting updates to share with you guys today, so let's get right into it. Over on Discord, our community has reached 3,641 members. Now is the perfect time to join our lively group if you haven't already. As for social media, last week we announced our beta release of crypto payment support. This move is aimed at providing maximum payment flexibility for our customers, making it easier than ever to engage with our services. For Powered by Pinata, let's shine the spotlight on Momo AI. Momo AI is revolutionizing the gaming industry by blending AI technology with game development. They provide game developers with SDKs that integrate AI agents, allowing developers to focus on the creative and design aspects of games while the technical complexities are handled by advanced AI. Their flagship product, Momo, exemplifies their success. It garnered 200K daily active users within just 30 days of launch, demonstrating Momo AI's expertise in viral growth and precise marketing strategies. This approach not only enhances player experiences, but also offers developers new avenues for promotion and user engagement. In exciting Web3 news, Pinata has partnered with Backdrop Build for a thrilling 4-week program to amplify your Farcaster API projects. This is a fantastic opportunity to connect with top builders worldwide, gain access to resources from leading tech companies, and compete for an incredible prize from Pinata. Don't miss out on this chance to elevate your project to the next level. Now let's explore how to build a light client using Pinata's Farcaster API. Building Farcaster clients has rapidly evolved, and we're here to make it easier. With our improvements, tasks like handling authentication, sending casts, and crafting feeds are simplified, so you can concentrate on customizing your client to stand out. In this tutorial, we'll cover the basics of building a light client, incorporating the newest features from Pinata to ensure you have all the tools you need for success. And that wraps up this week's episode of Weekly Whimsy. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons down below for more updates from our team. Until next time, stay curious and happy pinning. Bye, y'all.